Hi, my name is Dagogo Altraide, and I'm the Communications Manager at Electro Ventures. I'd like to introduce you to our founder and innovation partner, Joshua Portlock. Over the last 15 years, Josh has been an award-winning innovation leader in electric propulsion technology. He started developing drones for his final year mechatronics project in 2005, well before drones were mainstream. After a decade of hard work and a series of mergers and acquisitions, he shifted his focus to manned electric aircraft, starting Electro Aero from 2016. He gave a TED Talk on the state of electric aviation in 2018, sharing the global leading position of Electro Aero and Australia as the world's first and only electric aircraft flight training operator at the time. His drone company went on to be listed on the ASX in 2021, and this should give you some context of how he sees potential in the early stages of tech sectors that become highly scalable ventures in the future. Since then, Josh has been a serial entrepreneur in the field of sustainable innovation, and his portfolio of companies continues to be the leader in enabling technologies for electric mobility in the air, over the water, and on land. He's brought these companies together with teams of industry-leading experts to create a unique investment opportunity for you. Here is Josh to share more with you.
Thank you, Dagogo. I could talk all day about our disruptive technology, but it is more important to start by sharing why we're commercializing it and how it is an exciting opportunity for you to invest in Electro Ventures. Our vision is a future where every form of transport is environmentally sustainable, accessible, and affordable for everyone, so we can stop burning fossil fuels that pollute our precious atmosphere and oceans. Our mission is to advance sustainable mobility by enabling electric aircraft, vessels, and vehicles to be safe, efficient, rapidly rechargeable, and most importantly, fun. So why should you consider investing in Electro Ventures? We have a passionate entrepreneurial team who understand the challenges of early-stage startups and the importance of commercial timing, staying lean, and being mindful of cash flow. Our financial partner Bronson, for instance, helped grow Perth Solar Force organically from the ground up with his two co-founders over the last 7 years. They are now the largest residential solar installer in Western Australia and one of the top 5 in all of Australia. Their team of 80 committed experts install over 70 residential systems per week, totaling more than 20 megawatts of renewable power per year, exceeding $25 million in revenue per annum. We also have a diverse team of limited partners and advisors who bring complementary skills in ventures ranging from environmental and sustainability experts to capital markets and corporate governance professionals. We are founder-friendly and often achieve early entry valuations from our advisory goodwill in opportunities we diligently identify as high growth potential and complementary to our other companies. Our portfolio is diverse, not just in the 3 mobility verticals of air, water, and land, but also horizontally diverse, complementing our core company's focus on B2B tech with B2C end-user-centric opportunities and even peer-to-peer platforms. They are also progressing through a wide spread of S-curve adoption rates, providing a healthy mix of profitability, liquidity, and blue sky potential. We aim to achieve the highest positive environmental impact per dollar invested in Australia, and we're targeting an average of at least 50% compounded annual growth. Some of our companies are already achieving over 100% annual growth over the last few years. We are registered as an early stage innovation company, giving your eligible investment a 20% tax offset and no capital gains tax for holding between 1 to 10 years. Also, we do not charge conventional VC rates of 2% management fees and 20% capital gains fees. I'm investing $2 million into this round myself, so your investment benefits proportionally from the same high growth ambition and risk aversion as our own investments. Our team at Electro Aero have been developing the SAE International Standard for aircraft charging over the last 4 years. From our market research, we believe we have over 70% market adoption of our charging standard, and our sales are currently predominantly exports, with 80% of our revenue into the North American market. Around 70% gross margin on our aircraft charger sales, with even higher revenue potential from containerized batteries and after-sales subscription.
At Electro-Nautic, we've really focused on revolutionising personal watercraft technology with actively stabilised hydrofoil propulsion systems that we call the Wave Drive. The embodiment of this is in our wave flyers, which are personal watercraft that fly over the waves using hydrofoil technology and active stability control systems. The combination of electric propulsion and active stability control system means we can use up to 75% less power than a conventional boat hull to transport over the water, and that equates to up to 4 times more range for a given battery size, or a quarter of the battery size, or some combination of the two. We're also able to go a lot faster because of this lower drag, and therefore we can really have a lot of fun flying over the waves. We're now on our 4th prototype development over the last 3 years, and we're now developing our 2-seat side-by-side sails demonstrator. While our initial market is the recreational industry, and we have a focus on the rental fleet opportunity, there is a longer-term opportunity in government, defence and emergency services as well. Within the rental fleet, there's dozens of expressions of interest wanting to buy fleets of our Waveflower to rent out at beach resorts around the world. And we have interest from large primes wanting to license manufacture our technology as well.
Electrobase enables grid-independent solar charging of commercial electric vehicles. Instead of paying a fortune and waiting years to get grid upgrades to cater for high-powered levels of solar and EV charging, our containerized grid-independent solar charging solutions allow you to start recharging commercial fleets of EVs from renewable energy sooner and much more cost-effectively. As you can see from our portfolio overview, we have that diversity in air, land and sea, B2B, B2C as mentioned. Please visit our website to learn more about each opportunity. The use of funds is highlighted here with a focus on the B2B tech companies predominantly, but we will be making sure there's sufficient capital to help each of the opportunities realize their potential. The S-curve adoption is visualized here to show that there's different levels of adoption of new technology at different rates. And the beauty of having a portfolio of companies across a diverse range gives you steady stability as a whole of the holdings company, independent of the challenges with the regulations or public acceptance. Timing is everything with technology adoption, so we will be cognizant of when we pursue each innovation opportunity. We're confident in achieving our target of more than 10x growth in our share price prior to providing liquidity through a public listing, most likely through a SPAC on the NASDAQ market in the US. Thank you for your time, and if you're interested in investing, please reach out so we can discuss further.